Good morning, students. Today we are going to study soft and hard water, then the types of hardness, causes of hardness, and how to remove the hardness in water. Water which forms lather with soap readily or easily is called soft water. Once more, what is soft water? Water which forms lather easily with soap is called soft water. For example, rainwater, distilled water, etc. Now, water which does not form lather easily with soap is called hard water. No matter how much you rub your soap against the cloth, okay, or the clothes, it doesn't form lather. We call it hard water. For example, seawater. Seawater contains plenty of mineral salts dissolved in it. Now, we are going to discuss two types of hardness. Number one, temporary hardness. Number two, permanent hardness. Now, what does temporary hardness refer to? Temporary hardness of water, which is caused due to the presence of dissolved bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. That means it is caused due to the presence of, let's say, calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate. Now, how do I remove it? On boiling, the soluble bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium change into insoluble carbonates, thereby give soft water. Now, let us discuss permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water, which is caused due to the presence of dissolved calcium and magnesium chlorides and sulfates, meaning it contains calcium chloride or calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate. Now, how do we remove hardness of water? Number one, temporary hardness of water can be easily removed by boiling. So, on heating, the soluble bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium decompose to form insoluble carbonate, and hence water becomes soft. Look at this equation. Calcium bicarbonate on heating or boiling, it forms a white precipitate of calcium carbonate. Water and carbon dioxide gas is released, it will escape. Similarly, magnesium bicarbonate on heating will give you magnesium carbonate as the precipitate, white colored precipitate, which you can filter and remove it. Water and carbon dioxide will escape. So this is how temporary hardness can be removed by simply boiling. Now, number two is permanent hardness. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by adding washing soda, that is Na2CO3.10H2O or soda ash. Sodium carbonate converts soluble calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate into insoluble carbonates that can be removed by filtration. For example, calcium sulfate, if you add to it sodium carbonate or washing soda, it gives you a white precipitate of calcium carbonate. It will settle down and a clear solution of sodium sulfate. Similarly, magnesium sulfate when reacted with sodium carbonate will give you a white precipitate of magnesium carbonate and sodium sulfate. So this is how we can remove permanent hardness of water. Please revise the lesson and then attempt the questions given to you in assignment number 6. Assignment 6. What is the difference between hard water and soft water? Very simple. Question number 2. What are the causes for number 1, temporary hardness, number 2, permanent hardness? Is directly from what I taught you just a while ago. Question number 3, explain with equation how can number 1 temporary hardness, number 2 permanent hardness of water can be removed. So you got to explain with the help of an equation which I have already discussed with you in this video. Please revise the lesson along with the equations sincerely. Thank you.